Graham Reynolds is an amazing composer and bandleader based in Austin, Texas. It was a very intriguing idea that he had to find a way of merging music with science.
Since 2005, I've been co-teaching and collaborating with artists. This is the first time that it's involved music. The work that this piece is based on had to do with our conservation surveys to try to save the water systems in South America and the fauna and flora that are associated with those river basins.
You're immediately taken to the Amazon, and I love how you, as the piece gets going, you definitely have the feeling that you're just kind of like, you're actually on the Amazon, just rolling down, and you can even hear the insects and things like that. Science has a role in our social and political conversation right now.
It's going to be the artists who I believe will help us communicate the message to society and to the world, because people need to be able to feel it, to use that other hemisphere of the brain in order to process the information that we're telling people about the changes and transformations to the planet and potential effects upon our lives.
As an artist, as a musician, if there's some way that I can be involved through music, through art, I feel like this is a way of moving the conversation forward.